Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. June is approaching with the end of May, and along with it, several new rules are set to come into effect from the first day of the month. Changes in regulations are set to take effect, impacting various aspects such as LPG cylinder usage, driving licenses, Aadhaar updates, and bank holidays. These changes will directly impact your finances and daily life. Let's take a look at what new rules you'll encounter starting from 1st June. The first significant change involves driving license regulations. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has introduced new rules effective from 1st June, allowing individuals to take their driving tests at private institutions instead of government offices. This shift aims to simplify the process of obtaining a driving license. Also, the government aims to phase out approximately 900,000 old vehicles and enforce stricter car emission standards, imposing heavier fines for traffic violations. Another important rule pertains to traffic violations. Starting 1st June, stricter penalties will be imposed, particularly for minors found driving vehicles. Violators could face fines of up to 25,000 rupees, and repeated offences may lead to the cancellation of their driving licenses. Furthermore, there are new rules concerning credit card transactions for SBI customers. From 1st June, certain credit card rewards points will no longer be issued on government-related transactions. Customers are advised to check the official SBI website for detailed information. Additionally, LPG cylinder prices will be adjusted on 1st June, with expectations of a possible decrease following a reduction in commercial cylinder prices in May. Regarding Aadhaar card updates, the UIDAI has extended the deadline for free online updates until 14th June. However, offline updates will incur a fee of 50 rupee per transaction. Lastly, bank holidays for June have been announced, with a total of 10 days of closure, including weekends and additional holidays such as Raja Sankranti and Eid-ul-Adha, which may vary by state. These changes signify a crucial period with the conclusion of elections and the formation of a new government. Stay informed to navigate through these transitions smoothly. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.